You know, one strike force, man. You hear that? The team see attack on the net and right now, I just have to address one thing. You get me, I say? But what you think? What you feel like? You feel like a dog here?
Yo, God. In here.
Maybe no, you know, because I see dog, I post my album and cover, I see dog comment, what's legacy? I mean, if you over it, you see me? And I feel like say one of these has stem from the watch show when I get to go come and tell the dog, say, I focus on my album.
Yeah, man, the SR boss I represent for Jamaican baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the damn
Wagwan, my people, bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat, my people. You don't know we're there with that late night one, my people. That one you're hot, we did half a drop it. Alright, my people, guess what's happening? We must see in the media a lot of buzz get created over the weekend because of this show here that you're seeing. Show that was held in St. Anne's. This is Aidonia birthday party, my people. And Govi wasn't there. So there was a lot of speculations going around in the media. And because of some things what Aidonia say, people are saying, yo, Aidonia cut off Govana. Alright, my people. So I'll be sitting leading up to even the Suns performance where it would have seemed like it was actually confirmed. Say Aidonia cut off Govana, my people. You understand? But guess what? I have Govana right here, so ready for spill the beans. And the man a reveal this boy Aidonia, my people. You understand? Me not even gonna talk what he gonna reveal. Me gonna drop the video now so you can see what go on, my people. And people who don't see the performance this on the screen, me I beg you like, share, subscribe on my channel. As well as if you want to see the full performance, it is there, my people. So you can just go on the videos them, check it out. And you don't know, we have to big up Father God. Thanks to God say we have life, my people. Alright, I'm done with all of the chattings. I gotta drop the video right now, my people. Alright? And see what our governor say. So my people, bless up, stay tuned, Jamaican Chat, I'm out.
Go. You know, one strike force, man. You hear that? The team see attack on the net and right now, I just have to address one thing. You get me, I say? But what you think? What you feel like? You feel like a dog here?
Yo, God. In here.
Maybe no, you know, because I see dog, I post my album and cover, I see dog comment, what's legacy? I mean, if you over it, you see me? And I feel like say one of these has stem from the watch show when I get to go come and tell the dog, say, I focus on my album. You see me? I'm telling the dog, say, the Amazura show in New York. I think it'll be a bigger show and I hate me go take on all the energy. You see me? Ram out Amazura and all the vibe. So I know me know overs why I really go on from them time till now. Because I dog go reason and everything good. You see me, number? Them know so I say beer things and me I hear beer things and I jump up. Choose that just beer ass. My mother call me, my father call me, whole Spain call me. I say beer things say look like Diddy a premium. Me want to know if you feel like a dog a premium. You feel like a dog a premium?
Godfather, I pray, God. I don't tell you that already, Father. Godfather, I pray.
You feel like a dog a premium, bro?
People are pushing my friend, so anything can go on here. I just say it.
Well, Joe, but even right now we are focused on the album and legacy, you hear that? And big battle Jada Kingdom.
We don't want to know why my moves, huh? We don't want to know why. Tell them bad people, we don't touch our tongue now. Where ganja man them there? Where ganja man them there? Who want to see ganja lighter them? Who want to see phone lighter them? And who want to see ad? And who want to see rock? Tell them say, yo, you don't have to take on the head like that. Level. All I man ever know something a pussy. Say never, never. Say never, never. When some pussy boy come round and tell them this, bad man no share their split with them. Mama don't grab me for me. Mama, why those tears from your eyes? Mama don't. my people with the road on, we know. All I clean out people there. Won't see under me in the sky so now. All I under me in the sky so now. Then go so. Go with them evil head. Tell them traffic with them evil head. Tell them traffic with them. All I got these people there. Tell them nothing but my people can't. Level. Level. Cause here we are going now, you know. You see all of you see us so. I'm a family. Me not see you not good friends, you know.
Yeah.
But you have to keep your eye for your friend them, so. Friend kill the most friend. Friend set up the most friend. Anything you tell know, are your friend. So that's why we not just friend. That's the R.I.P. Dada one.
Yeah.
Papi Mason.
Yeah.
Big State, Champion, Bigger 5.
Yeah.
Yo, Khalif, my son, daddy love you. You know what I think, girl. You hear? Yo, Uchi, tell them. Bang, bang, salon.
Yeah.
Level. Years we do this. From 2000, Bumbuckler 5. You know, so what if I move in there? But all the Orient, I know now from 2005. I know, so we are on our bodies, Bumbuckler office. Tell them, what's it making? What's it making? Reload. Level. Here we are going now. I say big up Canicula. I say big up Sked. I say big up High Water. I say big up Roger One. I say big up Nigeria. See? I say big up Valiant. Big up Marcy Chain. See? Big up Vibes Cartel. Big up Mavado. Big up Dino. Big up Shabarans. Big up Sister Kalanchi. See? We are bad people. Big up our Massicato. But all I real born picking up fans them, no! We want to the same this! From them, this we don't want to. Who said for the cocktail? Squeeze up them. And I'm not alone, you know. They go start in the pass in the top and I'm crossing. You know, say me up for all gun. Yo, me can be book and clap it again. Level. All of who want your lyrics, say lyrics. Say lyrics. Say lyrics. Can you hear where I'm going now? One heap of boy violate Aidonia in a song. But tell them try it in a real bumbuckler of life. From me born till now. From me bus till now. Yes, sir. No boy can't box me panda. Jaya, walk to them. So on the sound of my ear, lyrics, level. Squeeze up the trigger on the cigar, clap one of your head and the one of your head is bigger than a gizzard. Them dead because of them distillers. Magical and Diablo, no funny man like Shibada can't cross the border. Harbor disaster, shot by them like Chihuahua. Bust head with the 4-4 revolver, bubble spin like people, fit of a target. Shoot off a enemy, stop a clap at their body, your head get licked off. Jump on the plaza, kill people at night time. But a broad deal like him, the rather me no walk with them, the gun magnum shot, don't tell junk for the rifle. The call for him, with the AK come with the telescope on top, and we can see far. Somebody on the legs and I sing say, I'm not afraid like the corner. Can't catch them when they're up here, coming over right on the front van, the corner. Catch him and pull up a stiff on my river, and I'm going to kick him like the camera, feed on the cars. You say that like... Come here, Baba! Listen, come here, Baba! All my party people then! Boom, boom! We are going to go back! All right then! Give us a marching! Listen, Gucci! Money enough it! Who can know? Come and believe with a touch. And when a man sang, we have to say for the cup. When everybody shout. smell my shirt? How it smell? How it smell? How it smell? You know what it smells, sir? Me couldn't never green card, nigga. Check it out. Ha! Can't stand there. Just give me weed, never hope we. Pocket full of some. Big bag you can't stop. Try to get my shot back in your. Right when they fire, you can't jump. You can't jump. You can't jump. Yo, I'm in a man sound trap.